was going to be, I could just screw it in the tripod.
Alright, so we have the auxiliary wire harness. So we're actually looking for pink orange. I'm going to get that stripped and we'll be back. Alright, so we've got the connector together. Thanks Keith for that. It's one of those connectors that just kind of solders it all together into one thing. To ground this, I'm going to have to take off the kick panel here. Rather than pulling the entire kick panel off, I pulled it away far enough so I could get down into there to be able to get to this here ground. And so it's just a simple single bolt. Put it right back on, and I'll get this all reassembled. Well, I go like so. That helps if I, hit the other one. Yeah, we'll go in so, and then we'll actually go like that. We're actually going to use the firewall hole down there. It's down there somewhere. Probably can't see it from here. To feed through the coax cable that's needed for the antenna. Which there's definitely going to end up being a follow-up video. I ordered the wrong cable. So I'll have to swap that out at some time. We're on day 2 of this. With a little bit of extra help, I was able to finally get this cable through. And now I just need to go ahead and cable manage it out of the way a little bit. So that will look exactly like it did before. And the only thing we have now to do is to give it a good test.